Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to do in today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm going to jump into my trading 212 stock invest, show you exactly what companies I have invested in, which companies are making me money, which companies are losing me money. But before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. Just to let you guys know, I have been investing now for around a year. As a beginner, I am building up this portfolio bit by bit and I try to invest every other day. As you can see here into this portfolio, I have got $5,235 invested, and return I have been able to generate $246. The total portfolio, as you can see here right now, is around $5,482. It's not the best, but it's better than a loss. Now I am just gonna jump through and show you each company that I have invested in, how much I am making. So now we are going to start off with the first company. The first company is Alibaba. I talk a lot about Alibaba on this channel. As you know, I have got $407 invested. As you can see here, I am making a loss of $1.78 right now. It was trading at 307. It basically went down on the 25th of October, and today it's gonna down to $7. Alibaba roughly was on an upward trend. As you can see here, I do believe in Alibaba, and in terms of using it to find suppliers in China, I have spoken about it a lot on this channel. Realistically, I should be putting more than $470. I am just going to put this amount just to test it out. I'm not going to put too much into them and see how it goes. Let's move on to the next company. The next company that we're looking at is Amazon. I have got $799 invested with Amazon right now. As we all know, Amazon is a company that's going to keep growing. It's going to be around for a long time. It's definitely going to go up. It was trading 1,500 as we can see on the 13th of August. Right now it's trading at 3,163. This is a company that I want to put more into, so I believe that there is a lot of growth. I do have faith in this company. I believe that this company is my biggest position, so you don't need me to explain what they do. I am sure that you guys use Amazon on a daily basis. Now let's move to this one, which is Apple. Into Apple. Apple is a company that I believe in. I have got $515 invested. Recently they did a 4-to-1 split, or was it a 5-to-1 split. I am losing $6.96. They spell their shares. I'm not sure if that was Tesla. As you can see, it's been trading sideways for some time. I know that it's definitely going to go up. I only had around 150, but I have been putting in more and more, and it's gone up to 500. We all know that Apple is going to be around for a long time, so I do believe over time it's going to definitely increase and it's going to continue grow as a company. So yeah, that is Apple. That's the end. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Stay safe and goodbye.